Okay. Here's the tutorial for chicken banana dance. So first, I want you to see the chicken banana. Chicken banana, chicken banana, chicken banana, chicken, chicken, chicken banana, banana. Okay, so here's how you do it. First, lay your arms like that. Put one above, put one beneath. Now do this before you do the up, down. And move your arms like that. Chicken. So that's chicken. So you learned what chicken is. So now here's how you do banana. It's pretty simple. Legs together, hands above your head. Don't put your head forward. Don't put your head back behind your arms. Put your head just right there through your arms. And then you move like that to the side. So let me show you chicken, banana in a row. Chicken, banana. So did you see that? Okay, now the order of chicken banana is 1 chicken, 1 banana, 1 chicken, 1 banana, 3 chicken, 2 banana. So let me show you that. Chicken, banana, chicken, banana, chicken, banana, chicken, 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 banana, banana. Okay, so now did you learn how to do chicken banana? I hope you did. Bye.